Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, pick firm, white lion's mane and trim the woody base. Tear the mushroom into bite-sized chunks so they sear evenly. This exposes more surface area for browning. Once torn, pat pieces thoroughly with paper towel to remove surface moisture, because moisture prevents a good crust and causes steaming. Make sure to oil the pan only after the mushrooms are dry. Heat the oil until shimmering before adding pieces so you get immediate sizzle and a golden crust. You now focus on texture and flavor. Preheat a heavy pan to medium-high, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil or butter, then arrange mushrooms so they have room. Crowding reduces browning. Once they develop color, season with salt, pepper, and minced garlic to build layers of taste. Make sure to deglaze the pan with about 1/4 cup of stock or wine to lift fond and deepen flavor. Then reduce heat. Simmer for 4 to 6 minutes so the interior softens while maintaining that roasted. You finish by brightening and texturing. Toss the mushrooms with a knob of butter or a drizzle of olive oil, add a little lemon zest and chopped parsley to cut richness and lift flavors. Plate immediately on toast, pasta, or alongside proteins so the crust stays crisp. If the mushrooms are soggy, don't panic. Return them to a hot, dry pan, drain any accumulated liquid, and re-crisp for 1 to 2 minutes. This fixes moisture and restores that desirable chew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.